Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll be explaining about if function. What if function does. If function compares two entities and it gives only two results, either true or false. Forgive me for the spelling mistakes here I have made. I can see. Formula for this function is given by equal to if entity 1 comparison entity 2. If the comparison made is true between two entities, it gives true. As result, if the comparison made between two entities is not correct, is not valid, then it gives as false. Here we have been given two sample data, first name and first name in upper format, means capital letters. See what if function gives as result, equal to if Amit in small is equal to Amit in caps. If it is same, then it gives true. See, we got all true irrespective of case, whether it is in capital or in small. It means that if function is not case sensitive, unlike exact function where we could have got false as a result. I will show you comparison between if and exact function in a separate video. If function just checks whether the strings given in first entity is equal to the entities given in equal to the characters given in second entity. If both are same, then it will give as true, and if both are different, then it will give as false. Let me adjust that width of that height of that column. Wrap test, margin center, wrap text. So guys, how was the video? Was it helpful to you? If you learned something new from this, then hit a thumbs up. Also like, comment and subscribe my channel, and suggest me that on what topic I should make a next video in Excel. Thank you guys. Take care. Stay safe.